How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another OBD mastery video. Now, today we're going to be understanding P0115 trouble code. So let's get right into it. Now, the symptoms of the P0115 code is going to be a check engine light illumination, indicating that an issue with the engine coolant temperature sensor circuit. Now, with the symptoms being that, there's also four others being poor fuel efficiency, rough idling or hesitation, your engine may overheat or run too cold than it's supposed to, and there's going to be difficulty starting. So if you're trying to start your car and it, doesn't crank properly, this is just due to the fact that there's incorrect temperature information affecting the ignition timing. So right below the symptoms, there's a description if you want to go ahead and pause the video, but we're going to go ahead and move on here with the causes. Now, the causes of P0115 is going to be a faulty ECT sensor. So this can send incorrect temperature readings to the PCM, triggering the P0115 code. Now you're probably wondering, what is a PCM? Well, the PCM is basically the computer of the car. It lets you know what's wrong with the car. Now, if you're able to read any OBD codes, usually a PCM isn't bad at all. Which leads us to the very last one, which we'll get into here in a bit. But damaged wiring, so any frayed, broken, corroded, or even uninsulated wires can cause shorts, or you can even cause disruption of the signal between the sensor and PCM. Now, poor electrical connections as well, kind of similar with damaged wiring, but poor electrical connections can send you a different voltage than it was supposed to take. Next is the thermostat issues. So thermostat issues can affect the coolant flow and the temperature regulation, leading to incorrect sensor readings. Next is going to be the PCM problems, which I talked about in the first cause here, but a faulty PCM can send improper sensor data. So you can either have it reprogrammed or you can get a new PCM, which is really expensive. So it's best to get it reprogrammed by a technician or get it rebuilt. But usually if your car is able to read codes from the PCM, then you should be totally fine. There would be nothing wrong with your PCM unless it's something a little bit more internal. So moving on here is the effective solutions for P0115 is replace faulty ECT sensor, repair damaged wiring, check and replace thermostat, manage coolant levels, and inspect PCM functionality. These are the 5 solutions you want to take to fix P0115. So there's a description for each one of these if you want to go ahead and pause the video, but that concludes today's video on P0115. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully this is a general insight for you and it's very quick and fast. We try to deliver results to you guys, trying to get you guys out of the zone here with the P0 codes, all right? I know these could be really frustrating, but hopefully this video kind of gives you a general insight and general view of what P0115 is. Thank you guys all for watching.